There's nothing the fire department can do. They're just gonna let it burn, mijo, because it's getting too hot. God almighty damn! God damn! Oh my Lord! Hey, get in the truck! Get in the truck! ¿Se quedó el vidrio? Oh my Lord! Oh Lord Jesus Christ!
Hey, let's go! Hey, let's get out of here.
Oh my God! Oh my Lord! Hey, don't!
With the wind blowing that way. It should collapse. There, looks like it just jumped out the window.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Oh, you okay?
Dad?
You okay?
Dad, I can't hear.
Come here.
I can't hear. Get out of here. Please get out of here.
Oh my God.
Please get out of here. Please get out of here. Oh my God. Dad, please get out of here. I can't
Chloe.
hear. I can't hear
Oh,
anything.
shit.
I can't hear anything.
Oh my God.
Dad.
Chloe.
And they couldn't get on the dock. There was like 20 of them, like 2 of them.
My 45 those locked.
Hey, I heard you were having trouble getting bullets for yours.
I found
That
some
tower's
finally.
off the top.
Yeah, there's no more tower.
The tower's off.
Yeah.
So I can't get it.
The backside.
Oh, yeah. We'll go to bushes first. We'll go all the way around the. Oh, yeah, they're probably just gonna let that.
I'm sure they're
Oh, dude.